Hello everyone, welcome back. Are you excited to start learning English? Perfect. This video is for beginners like you. No complicated rules, no a huge amount of notes or anything like stuff. Just easy steps to get you speaking and understanding. Okay? Now, let me tell you that what we will cover in this video. First, how to learn new words like vocabulary building. Second, how to understand English, listening practice. Third, how to speak a little English, speaking practice, right? And last, how to make learning fun. Stay till the end of the video. You have to watch this video till the end because we will have a list of all the new words from this video, okay, with their meanings in English and Hindi as well. So it will very easy to understand everything. Ready? Let's dive into the video. First point, how to learn new words like vocabulary building. Let's start with new words. Learning words is like collecting building blocks of your English. This is a very important. Now some people might be think what is building blocks? Okay, let's take it that way. If a kid playing with some toys like a puzzle, okay, or whatever it is, are you seeing have you seen the building blocks or some toys parts that if we will join them together we will have some building, some car or some home, like that kind of puzzle game. Okay, so these are the building blocks. So likewise in English language we have building blocks, like we have vocabulary to boost our English. Okay, so this is very important, that a good amount of vocabulary is very important for everyone who wants to speak in English. Now, what is your goal would be? Try to learn at least 3 to 5 new words every day. Not too many, just enough. 3 to 5 words are enough, okay? You have to remember them. And it's not, like that way you are remember the words and you will not use them. No, you have to use all those words in your daily routine. Okay, how to do it in a easy way? Look around to yourself. What do you see right now? Look at common things in your home or outside. For example, chair, table, okay? A chair, you sit on it. This is a table, you put things on it. This is a book, you read it. Use simple pictures. If you see a picture, try to find its English name. Like this is an apple, it's a fruit you eat. This is a cat, it's a small animal. Because it is very important that you have to know the words surrounding yourself in English. It is very important, and you won't trust me, it is a lot of words that we don't know what we call them in English. So it is very important, at least in your surrounding you have to know the name in English, all the stuff surrounds you. Okay, always do this. Say the new word out loud, like chair, table, book. These are very basic words, okay? And write it down in a small notebook or on a card. Writing and saying helps your brain remember better. Okay, so please do it next 21 days, and after 21 days you have a good amount of vocabulary and you will proud to yourself. Okay, now second, how to understand English, like listening practice. Okay, next let's learn how to understand English when you hear people speak or when you watch something. What would be your goal? Listen to simple English for about 5 to 10 minutes every day. And you know what, I want to tell you something that I used to record my videos in Hindi, but whenever I saw some videos, because it's also my learning period, I am also learning. I'm not a very good speaker in English like that, because you know what, when I used to uh, record the videos in Hindi, I will notice that my Hindi will be improving and my English would be the same. This will not improve, because whenever we use the words, use the sentences again and again, so our mouth muscles and our tongue will more comfortable with this language. So if I record the video, like if I used to record the videos in Hindi, so my English would not improve as I want. But when I switch to record the videos Hindi to English, I will see the difference. So it is very important that you have to listen and repeat sentences aloud. It is very, very important. Okay, now let's come to the point. So all you have to do is listen to simple English for about 5 to 10 minutes every day. Think of it as training your ears. Okay, you have to train your ears to listen English. How to do it in a easy way? Listen to children's song. These songs use very simple English words and are easy to follow. And if you will watch my other videos, I will also use very simple, very common words, because I know that some people are beginner who just start the English learning journey. So I would prefer to use very basic and very simple words that everyone can understand. So then try to repeat some simple parts you hear, like twinkle twinkle. It doesn't have to be perfect. And if you know the poem, or you think about that the cartoon stuff is very, very basic level for me, and I know about it, then switch to any podcast or any movie or maybe news, whatever it is. You have to listen English. This is the main focus. Okay, now watch very simple cartoons with English subtitles, because subtitles are very important. And you know what, I like Peppa Pig. I used to watch around 2 or 3 years back, and I love them very much. The voice and simple stories and the subtitles and the way they are saying their dialogues, it is very simple and easy to understand. Just listen and watch. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. You hear someone say hello, okay? You also see the word hello written on the screen and in your mind. This helps you connect the sound with the word. So subtitles are very important, because whenever you listen or you read at the same time, the brain is active at that time, and it will very easy to understand and very easy to remember it again. So it is very important that if you are watch anything in the TV or in a screen, so please switch on the subtitles. It's very important. Now listen to simple sentences for a learning app. Many apps have short audios exercises. An app might say good morning. You listen carefully and then you try to say good morning. So it is like a shadowing practice. And if you want to do some shadowing practice, so I have uploaded some videos about it. You can go and check in the same channel. Remember, just listen and try to catch a few words. It's okay if you don't understand everything at first, because every little bit helps. How to speak a little English? Speaking practice. Point number third. Now, this part can feel a little bit scary, but it's very important. Speaking English, don't be afraid to try, okay? Your goal is very simple. Just Try to say 3 to 5 simple sentences in English every day. But listen, I use everyday word. You have to say 3 to 5 or 4 or 10 sentences every day in English, okay? Sentences would be very simple. Don't worry about mistakes or any kind of stuff. Just you have to repeat the sentences, okay? Now, the point is how to do it in a easy way. Let me tell you, talk to yourself. Yes, really. You can stand in front of a mirror or just speak when you are alone. Say hello and give a smile to you and say hi, my name is and give it to your name. I like English. You have to repeat these simple, short and easy sentences on daily basis and after some days you will see the improvement. Describes things around you. It is a very good technique to improve your communication skills in English. You have to describe anything around you. Use new words you learned. Point to your chair and say, "This is my chair. I use to this chair to sit on the chair." Then add a detail. The chair is brown, whatever the color of the chair. You have to explain. Just pick one thing and start explaining it, start talking about it. Answer simple questions to yourself. Ask a question, then try to answer it. Ask like what is your name, then answer my name is Pooja. Ask again, are you learning English? Then answer, yes, I am, and I am improving also. Okay, so it will also build your confidence. The most important thing is to try. It's okay to make mistakes. Everyone make mistakes when they are learning something new. The more you speak, the easier it will become. Okay, let me give you an example. If a word in English, okay, whatever the word is like very big pronunciation. So I'm talking about the beginner level students. If they are try to say pronunciation, maybe at the first attempt they will not say it clearly. But if I would say the word good, so everyone can say good, sorry, because I don't know, because these are the words we will use in daily life. Okay, whenever we use some words in our day to day life, it will become more easier to say, and whenever we don't use some words, so it will quite difficult to say in a rhythm. So it is very important that you have to practice a lot. Now, last and fourth point, how to make learning fun. Lastly, let's talk about making your English learning fun. If it's fun, you will want to do it more. Oh, right? Because everyone wants fun. And you will learn faster also. Now, what would be your goal? Find at least one fun English activity each week. How to do it in a easy way? Listen to simple English songs. Many popular songs have easy words. You don't need to understand every word to enjoy the music. Okay? Just listen and feel the rhythm. Maybe you can learn a few new words from the song lyrics or watch story funny videos in English. Look for animal videos or very simple comedy clips. Even if you only understand a little, you can still enjoy the video. Laughter is a great way to learn. Play simple English games on your phone. Many apps have games designed to help you learn words or match pictures to English names. It's like playing a puzzle, but you are also learning. Remember, learning English does not have a feel like homework. Find what you like to do and try to do it in English, okay? No need to overwhelmed. So that's your simple plan for learning English. Learn, okay, let's quick recap here. Learn new words daily. Listen to English daily. Speak a little English daily and make it fun. Start today. You can do it, okay? Now it's time to vocabulary from this video. Here are new words we used today with their meanings. Beginners. Beginner means people who are just starting to learn something. Means शुरुआत करने वाले लोग. New, not old. Recently made or discovered means नया. Words. Smallest unit of language that have a meaning means shabd. Chair, a piece of a furniture for one person to sit on. Kursi. Table, a piece of furniture with a flat top and one or more legs, used for eating, working, etc. Mage. Book, a set of written or printed pages fastened together inside a cover. Kitab. Apple, a common fruit that is typically round and red or green. Seb. Cat, a small furry animal often kept as a pet. Billy, listen, to pay attention to sound. Sunna, speak, to say words, to talk. Bolna. Hello, it is like a greeting. Namaste. Brown, a color like wood or earth. Bhura. Yes, used to give an affirmative response means हाँ. Fun, enjoyment or light-hearted pleasure. Maza. Song, a short piece of music with words. Gana. Video, a recording or moving visual images. Video. Game, an activity that people play for fun, often with rules. Khel. Now it's all about the today's video. Thanks for watching and please give a thumbs up if you really found this helpful and don't forget to subscribe my channel. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर, अपना ध्यान रखें और ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ते रहें.